Implant Crown today on tooth number 4. Um, we use the Atlantis workflow. So what's nice is we get a custom milled abutment from them, and they send us back a core file that looks like this. And this is what we're going to design on. So we start as always with trimming our model. Doesn't make sense to have a bunch of noise in our model, so we're just going to get rid of it. All right, margin's already drawn for us because on the core file, we really just have the custom abutment that, the computer already knows where the margin is. So that's all fine and dandy. The insertion axis is important. We want to be parallel to belonging to sitting in teeth. Something like this. It's good. All right, spacers 80 microns because we're luting, cannot bond to titanium. So if you can't bond, then you're luting. System we're not worried about. We're just going to go straight into our AI proposal. Now, the mesial 14 is a little goofy looking. That's going to make our life a little harder. But let's see what we can do. All right, first thing I noticed is that tooth just doesn't appear to be tall enough. I probably want to be somewhere between this cuspid and that molar. So that looks okay. Let's do the rest. Just give me a better proposal. Okay. So I like that cusp pipe better now. We're not quite as tall as this guy, but we're shorter than, or we're taller than this and shorter than this. We're somewhere in the middle for that curve of speed, which is going to work for me. Occlusion wise, let's see. This bite looks a little funny. It's like you can slide some on this bite. So occlusion wise, we're probably just going to want to match what we see here. We're going to give him just really, really light contact. Looks like he's biting mostly in the posterior on that guy. But let's see what we can give him. All right, proximal contacts need to be adjusted. So I bulked them out some. Now I'm going to take them back. Good. That was just too heavy. We want that broad turquoise with some green in it. That will do. Let's see, what else can we do for him? Maybe we can bring up this marginal ridge up some. Let's see. I don't really want to make it taller than that molar. So I'm just going to leave that where it's at. See if there's anything else we might consider. I'm going to try to give him a little more bite on this cusp. I might end up having to grind it off, just depending on what happens when his jaw slides around. But let's see if that will work well for him. And then let's jump into our articulator. So we can virtually slide his jaw around, but it is an average set of values And so it's not 100% correct for every patient. We're not really going to know until we put the crown in his mouth and have him slide. Let's just see what the computer says. All right, so he's going to be sliding all over that cusp. So this is not going to do. Comes away. So if that goes to the shape, that'll be fine. All right, that's going to be our crown.